Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry lentil soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of red lentils, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and your favorite aromatic vegetables like onion, carrots, and celery. Don't forget your key spices: 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. Finally, have 1 can of full-fat coconut milk and a few handfuls of fresh spinach ready. Now let's build that incredible flavor base. In a large pot, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add your diced onions, carrots, and celery, sautéing them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they soften. Next, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger, cooking for just 1 minute until fragrant. Then, add your curry powder, cumin, and turmeric, stirring for 30 seconds to toast the spices. It's time to get our soup simmering. Pour in your 1 cup of red lentils and 4 cups of vegetable broth. Give everything a good stir to combine. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat, then immediately reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer gently. Cook for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the red lentils are wonderfully tender and have absorbed much of the liquid, becoming creamy. We're almost ready to enjoy this delicious soup. Stir in your 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, which adds a lovely creaminess. Then, add a few handfuls of fresh spinach, stirring until it wilts, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Taste the soup and season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Ladle your hot curry lentil soup into bowls and serve immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.